It's freezing, the wind won't stop, everything's wet. Could your fire starter handle this? In 2 minutes, I'll show you the one tool that lights in rain, snow, even after a dunk in the river. Meet the ferrocerium rod, aka the Ferro rod. Unlike lighters or matches, this fire starter throws 3,000 degrees Celsius sparks, even when soaking wet. It's windproof, waterproof, and works at high altitudes and sub-zero temps. And it lasts for thousands of strikes, way more reliable than a cheap Bic lighter. Here's how it works. First, grab your ferro rod and striker, or the spine of a knife. Next, aim the rod at your tinder, cotton balls, dry bark, or fat wood. Press hard and scrape fast. Sparks fly, tinder catches, fire happens. Pro tip, carry a sealed bag with dry tinder, fire insurance for any weather. Matches get soggy, lighters fail in wind and cold, but this, it lights after a rainstorm, with frozen fingers, and in 30 miles per hour wind. Some models even have built-in emergency whistles or magnesium scrapers for extra burn time. In extreme conditions you don't want maybe, you want fire. This is the fire starter that doesn't quit. Like, subscribe and comment below. What's your go-to fire starting method when it all goes wrong?